Sorkar Jylla mynta sngi khatlai trik nohprah jingialang bat khynhun myntri shim ban iarap pisa kumba Tylli ki collage kiba Jylla ya kiban setip kum ki people's college kaba ki college Shillong hapoh iarap pisa na Sorkar bat jingsiew ya tulop nonghikai bat ki katto katne ngut nongtrei kat kum kakam.
The National Human Rights Commission has directed different state governments that there needs to be compensation on account of death of prisoners, and hence based on the directions given by the National Human Rights Commission, the cabinet today has approved this compensation, and this will also be notified. The next decision was the approval of new People's College in the state. So the cabinet has decided to approve and sanction 12 new People's Colleges throughout the state. They are: number 1, Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, West Khasi Hills; Abong Noga College, Tura, West Karo Hills; Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, West Jente Hills, Number 2, Abong Noga College, Tura, West Garo Hills. Number 3, Krausing Christian College, Moplang, East Khasi Hills. Number 4, Riwar College, Peninsula, East Khasi Hills. Number 5, Loyola College, William Nagar, East Garo Hills. Is that slow enough?
Yes.
Number 6, Balawan College, Umsning, Ribhoy. Number 7, Mausunram Border Area College, Mausunram, East Khasi Hills. Number 8, Selsela College, Selsela, West Garo Hills. Number 9, Saint Khasi College, Jayao, Shillong. Number 10, Mendipathar College, Mendipathar, North Garo Hills. Number 11, Singap Singh Memorial College, Mokurwat, West Khasi Hills. And number 12, Tikrikila College, Tikrikila, West Garo Hills. These 12 new colleges, People's Colleges, have been approved by the cabinet today.